We are painting by numbers factory from China, located in Ningde, Fujian. We have 8 years of production experience. At present, our factory has area of 2,000 square meters, a professional production team of more than 100 people, and a number of high-capacity automated production lines. We have a lot of long-term partners in Britain, the Netherlands, the United States, Vietnam, South Korea, Russia, Australia, and other countries. Our products are exported to North America, Europe, Japan, Korea, Southeast Asia, and other regions, and we are also a supplier of physical supermarkets and e-commerce. Dropshipping is our featured service, which is a supply chain service for Amazon, Shopify, Shopee, and other online platforms. At the present stage, our daily production capacity of 30,000 sets. There are more than 50,000 designs and variety custom sizes. Welcome to figure customization. OEM, ODM. We support a set of mixed batch. Spot stock is sufficient. Fast delivery. We have passed SGS-Rohs, CE, MSDS, and other institutions' testing certification. We offer a variety of payment methods: Alibaba International Station, TA, TT, LC, ISCO, PayPal, Western Union, Hong Kong Bank Transfer, Echo Support FOB, EXW, DDU, CFR, CAF, DDP, and other trade modes. We have long-term cooperation with freight forwarders, sea, air, rail, truck, and so on. Surrounding ports: Fuzhou Port, Xiamen Port, Ningbo Port, Shenzhen Port, Shanghai Port. We are a company specializing in the production of DIY painting by numbers. We are always looking for the improvement of technology and service. We are willing to work with you to develop a beautiful life of painting by numbers.